in a universe filled with billions of galaxies and more stars than grains of sand on Earth. One scientist taught humanity how to feel small without feeling insignificant. Carl Sagan did not just study the cosmos. He translated it, turning cold equations into stories that made wonder a scientific act. Welcome to Mattermosaic, piecing together the universe, one discovery at a time. This is the story of Carl Sagan, a scientist who believed that understanding the universe was not only a quest for knowledge, but a responsibility to our shared future. Carl Edward Sagan was born on November 9, 1934, in Brooklyn, New York. From an early age, he was fascinated by the night sky, wandering libraries and science museums with endless questions about stars, planets, and time. His curiosity was not narrow. It was expansive, blending physics, chemistry, biology, and philosophy. Sagan studied at the University of Chicago, where he was trained in a rare interdisciplinary environment. He earned degrees in physics, astronomy, and astrophysics, learning to move easily between disciplines. This ability to connect ideas would later define his scientific voice. In the late 1950s and early 1960s, as the space age began, Sagan entered planetary science at a moment when humanity was first reaching beyond Earth. Space was no longer abstract, it was accessible. Sagan's early scientific work focused on planetary atmospheres. He helped explain the extreme greenhouse effect on Venus, showing how carbon dioxide trapped heat and transformed the planet into a furnace. This research would later influence how scientists understood climate processes on Earth. He also played a key role in studying Mars. At a time when speculation about Martian canals and civilizations still lingered in popular culture, Sagan helped ground the discussion in evidence. He emphasized that science advances not by belief, but by testing ideas against reality. As robotic exploration accelerated, Sagan became deeply involved with NASA missions. He contributed to the Mariner, Viking, Voyager, and Galileo programs. His work helped shape what instruments were sent into space and what questions they were designed to answer. But Sagan faced a growing challenge. While space science advanced rapidly, public understanding lagged behind. The universe was expanding in knowledge, yet shrinking in meaning for many people. Sagan believed that science should not be locked behind academic walls. In 1980, he brought this belief to the world through the television series Cosmos, a personal voyage. Filmed across real locations from ancient libraries to modern observatories, Cosmos traced humanity's relationship with the universe across time. The series reached hundreds of millions of viewers worldwide. It did not simplify science by stripping away accuracy. Instead, it elevated the audience, trusting that people could grasp profound ideas if they were presented with clarity and respect. Sagan's narration framed science as a human story. He spoke of star stuff, cosmic calendars, and fragile worlds. His message was consistent. We are a way for the universe to know itself. At the same time, Sagan championed skepticism. He warned against pseudoscience, superstition, and the erosion of critical thinking. For him, wonder and skepticism were not opposites, they were partners. In 1977, Sagan helped create one of humanity's most symbolic artifacts, the Voyager Golden Record. Attached to 2 spacecraft leaving the solar system, the record contained sounds, images, music, and greetings from Earth. It was not designed for certainty, but for hope. A message cast into the cosmic ocean. Sagan also became a prominent voice on nuclear disarmament. During the Cold War, he helped develop the theory of nuclear winter, showing how large-scale nuclear conflict could trigger catastrophic climate effects. His warning was clear. Technological power without wisdom threatens civilization. Despite his public influence, Sagan often faced resistance within academic circles. Some critics dismissed his communication work as popularization rather than serious science. Yet his scientific publications remained substantial and his impact undeniable. Carl Sagan reshaped how science relates to society. He argued that scientific literacy is not optional for a technological civilization, it is a survival skill. He urged humanity to see Earth as a pale blue dot, suspended in a vast cosmic darkness. That perspective, he believed, should inspire humility, compassion, and cooperation. Sagan did not promise comfort. He offered clarity. The universe is indifferent to human wishes, but deeply responsive to human understanding. In learning how vast the cosmos truly is, Carl Sagan taught us something equally important: how precious our small world really is. This is Mattermosaic, piecing together the universe, one discovery at a time. If stories like this help you see science with fresh eyes, like, share, and subscribe, and continue exploring the universe with us.